All right, guys, so we got a Whirlpool Maytag badged washer. Now, what we're going to do here, both of the valves are not good. Now, we're going to replace that. I have a video on that. We're not showing that. So what I'm doing here now is going to show you how, if you need to get your washer or get your wash done, this is what you can do. Put your machine on normal. You're going to press start. The lid, bypass, remove the lid, T15, set it there. And now what we're going to do, we're going to turn the water on, but not yet. You want to wait. See, it says sensing. You can hear this. So the machine is calling for water, but it's not getting it. So let's give it some water. This way you can actually get your laundry done. And what will happen is, when the machine is satisfied, that humming will stop. But you'll have to monitor the machine so that when the humming starts again, you add water and manually turn the water off. All right, we're going to let it fill up, not too high, and pay attention to the humming. So while the washer is filling, just pay attention to the humming, because that is going to be your sign when to turn the water off. As soon as the humming stops, then you need to turn the water off. Now you can add a little bit of water extra, just in case if it's not enough water. You will have to fine tune it, and you can put it on large or extra large, depending. That's going to add more water. So keep that in mind, meaning the humming will extend based on the size in which you have it set at. So keep that in mind. And then again, you're going to have to pay attention when the machine is done washing, because now it's going to start on rinse. So you got to stay close to it. All right, the humming stopped. All right. See that? All right, there you have it. As you can see, it was washing totally fine. Now we're going to replace the valve.